Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to animate bomb blasting or explosion animation in Maya without any plugin. So let's get started. Our final result will be like this. See this kind of explosion. I am showing you the play blast result. This will look like this. See? So let's get started. Change modeling menu to effects menu. Select, click on this curve and surface icon. Take a nerve sphere. Select the sphere. Press F to focus or zoom in. Go to effect. Open shutter option. Edit. Reset the setting. Select shutter count, type here 18. Edge zagginess, type here 2.13. And post operation, select rigid bodies with collision off. Click on this remove interior polygons box. Extrude shared shards, type here 0.4 and select hide. Now click create. Now go to modeling toolkit menu, go to object mode and select. See, the nerve sphere is divided into 18 parts. Go to outline, select all your shard count. Go to field and solver, select turbulence. Open turbulence option or just click create turbulence. Open attribute editor. Magnitude, type here 100. Change it to 100. Increase the frame to 200. Click play and see the effect. See. Now again select all. Go to field and solver. Create a vortex field. And magnitude, type here 28. Now click play and see the effect. See. Now again select all. Shift select. Go to frame 1. Go to field and solver. Add a radial field. Magnitude, type here 0.3. Sorry, 3, only 3. Click play and see the effect. See. Now again go to frame 1. Go to fluid. Take a 3D container. Select the turbulence, vortex and radial field and hide them. And also hide your sphere, nerve sphere. For the fluid 3D container, delete the nucleus. Press delete on your keyboard. Now select the container. Unhide your nerve sphere and also your turbulence, all the field which you added. Select the 3D container. Go to fluid shape 1. Base resolution, type here 65. Dynamic simulation, gravity, make it 0. Auto resize, click auto resize. Content details, density, increase the buoyancy. Increase noise. Velocity, increase swirl value and also noise value from here. turbulence, increase turbulence strength, frequency and also speed. Go to shading, change the color, just this color. Go to texture, click on this three box, lighting, select self shadow. Now select the 3D container and select all your shard from the outliner. Again go to fluid, add or edit content, open emit from object option, emitter type select omni, density rate voxel per second type here 10, click apply and close and select all the emitter from the outliner. Open attribute editor, basic emitter attribute, emitter type select omni, rate particle per second type here 1500, voxel per second 10, emission speed attribute no emission, change it to replace, directional speed type here 1, direction Y make it -10, fluid color change it to this color. I think all are set. Now click play and see the effect. See, this is the bomb explosion effect. Now go to Windows, rendering editor, render setting, change it Arnold to Maya software. Now click on this render tab. See the effect. Click continue. Now select your nerve sphere. And change the color of the material. Make it to wooden color. Just like this color. Now go to create light, take a point light and also take a polygon plane. Increase the size of the plane and move the plane down just here. Now select the light, point light, change the light color to this color. Now again render and see the effect. See the result. Move the light up just here. Again click render and see. See the result. This is the bomb blasting effect I have told you about. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.